Welcome to Easy Cooking with JUAN. And on today's recipe, we're going to have my delicious red beans and rice. And if you haven't had my red beans and rice, you better slap yourself. And these are the ingredients you will need. You will need, of course, your red beans. You will need your choice of meat. Today I'm using turkey meat. You will need 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. You will need 1 tablespoon of black pepper. You will need 1 tablespoon of red crushed peppers. You will need 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of celery salt, and you will need chopped up onions and bell peppers, 1 whole onion and 1 whole bell pepper, and you will need some chicken stock. Okay, and after I get all this in the pot, I'll be right back. Now, you first want to put your meat in the pot. You want to put it in the pot first. And you want to put your onions and bell peppers in there. See that? And you want to stir that around. You want to stir it around just like that. And let your vegetables get tender. Let your vegetables get nice and tender. Put your little oil in your pan, in your pot. Oh, that smells good and looks good. So now, for your red beans, here's a trick to quick red beans and rice. Because who wants to cook red beans for 2 and 3 hours in the summertime? It's too hot. So this is the trick to having easy, delicious, quick red beans. So what you want to do, you want to mash half of your red beans first before you put them in the pot. You want to mash half of them because this will make them even softer. Okay? Even though these are canned beans, but sometimes they still be hard. So you want to mash them like that. Okay? Halfway. Okay? We're using all the juices from the red beans in the can because the starch from the red beans in the can was going to make the nice sauce thicker and more flavorful. So, next what you're going to need your 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper, 2 tablespoons of onion powder. Don't be scared to season your food. 1 tablespoon of parsley. And 1 tablespoon of celery salt. And let me stir this together. Stir it all together so it gets nice and incorporated. So it can marry together and be nice and delicious. Smelling good. And when I come back, I will show you how to put these red beans and rice in this pot. I'll be right back. Now you guys, I'm about to show you to put your red beans and rice in the pot. Just like that, y'all. Make sure it's all in the pot. And you want to stir it around. Oh yeah, you want to get everything mixed up together. Stir it around now. Stir it around. So get everything mixed up together. All the flavors. You have the best. JUAN's red beans and rice. Now what you want to do, you want to put some chicken stock. 1 cup of chicken stock. 1 cup of chicken stock, y'all. 1 cup. That's good enough. And stir it all around. It's nice and incorporated. Mix together. Oh, that looks good. All the colors, all the flavors is bursting out. Yes. So, when it's done, I will show you the finished product of my red beans and rice. I'm back, y'all, and I cooked these red beans for 20 minutes on a medium-low heat, and this is the finished product of my easy, delicious red beans and rice. Look at it, y'all. Oh, it looks so good, and it tastes so good too, full of flavors. And if you want more easy cooking with Don Juan, all you got to do is like, share, and subscribe, and tell the whole world what I'm doing on this kitchen each and every day.
I got a girl that compliments my fly, and when it goes down, I know she gon' ride. I finally got somebody I can call my